Today, we're going to learn how ordinary people can become crorepati's through smart financial decisions.
Most people earn money, but very few build real wealth because expenses grow faster than savings.
The basic formula is simple. Earn money, save consistently, invest wisely, and let wealth grow.
Every crorepati starts with a saving habit. Even small amounts can create big results when done consistently.
Investing helps your money work for you. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound growth becomes.
Compounding means earning returns on both your investment and previous returns, creating accelerated wealth growth.
To become wealthy, avoid unnecessary debt, impulse spending, and financial decisions driven by emotions.
Someone investing a fixed amount every month for many years can potentially build a crore-rupee portfolio.
Many crorepatis create multiple income sources instead of depending on only one.
Wealth is usually built through patience, consistency, and smart decisions repeated over many years.
Remember these 5 rules. Save more, invest early, avoid debt, stay consistent, and think long-term.
Becoming a crorepati is not about luck. It's about discipline, investing, and taking action today. Start